This video demonstrates how to both install and remove a NanoShield reverse flush trap column onto and from the valve of your LC system. Before installing the NanoShield trap column onto your system, please refer to the relevant user guide for your specific LC for the appropriate system setup. As each LC system comes pre-configured for optimal operation, we recommend reviewing our NanoShield product user guide for the suggested settings for reverse or backward flush configurations. To begin installing the NanoShield trap column, first reduce the flow rate to 2 nanoliters per minute, or lower, until the back pressure stabilizes below 10 bars. For this configuration you'll need 2 capillary lines. We recommend taking a moment to inspect all Nano Viper capillary fittings to check for deformation before installation. If in good condition, screw one end of each Nano Viper capillary line into the appropriate port of the valve, as indicated in your LC user guide. Next, remove both black protective shipping plugs from each end of the NanoShield trap column, and connect the 2 available Nano Viper fittings of the installed capillary lines to each receiving Nano Zero union on the trap column. The reverse flush NanoShield trap column is non-directional, meaning it is not necessary to orient the column in a specific direction. Continue by tightening each of the Nano Viper fittings, finger tight, until reaching a firm stop. A firm stop is characterized as the point at which the fitting stops turning, and significant additional force would be required to turn the fitting further. Apply an additional quarter turn using a wrench as demonstrated. Once firmly fitted, we recommend washing the column by flushing with 80% buffer B for 15 minutes before first use. The NanoShield trap column is now installed and ready for operation. To remove the trap column from your LC system, reduce the flow rate to 2 nanoliters per minute or lower, and ensure the LC system pressure is stable, below 10 bars. If you intend to store the trap column for extended periods and reuse it at a later date, start by flushing the column with 80% of buffer B prior to removal. Unscrew each end of the NanoShield trap from the Nano Viper capillaries, place 30 microliters of methanol into each Nano Zero union, and reinstall the black shipping plugs fitted on arrival. The NanoShield trap column has been removed and is now ready to store.